Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel, Angela Mutavi Art. And in today's video I am going to use this huge canvas here. It's a, well, not that huge, but it's a 16 by 20, and my aim is to do a traveling cup. And yeah, let me go ahead and just show you what I'm gonna be doing and the colors that I'm gonna use, so stay tuned. Okay guys, let's go ahead and get started with this painting. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you the colors I'm gonna use here. This is silver, and it's this silver by Artist Amsterdam Pearl White. This is a mixture of dioxazine purple and crimson red. Here we have Winsor Newton's green gold. This here is Amsterdam turquoise green. And finally, Deco Art metallic gold. So now let's go ahead and get started. Basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this cup to layer my paints. Once they're all layered, I'm gonna pour in a line, and depending on how this looks at the end, I might, if we have a lot of negative space left, I might go ahead and swipe just to kind of give it a character. So let's go ahead and start layering these cups. Okay, here we go. I'm not gonna put the whole gold. I'm just gonna put a little bit. We'll have a little bit left because I do not want it to take over. But this is how a cup looks like. Look how beautiful it does look. All right, let's go ahead and pour this. And I'm going to start right over here. Which one will look better? Maybe here. Put a little bit on the side like this, just to make it move a little. I will use my palette knife . Okay, here we go. Let's go ahead and move it. leftover gray paint that I'm gonna use to move the paint over, because it doesn't look like it's moving I want to add a little bit more ring over here too. Going to use this palette knife to swipe. So here's the painting dry, guys. Oh my. I love this painting. It is so beautiful. It is beautiful. This is abstract. Abstract at its best. This is so beautiful, and it's got such a depth. Look at this. It just looks like, oh. So many different layers and colors and interesting shapes and oh, I think I really did well today. Beautiful painting. I love it. This is by far my best, my favorite. But you know, I've done a few interesting ones and really breathtaking, but this one, wow. You guys, you can tell me what you think. I think it's really beautiful. I can't wait to hear what some of you will say about it. So please leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell. That's very important. That way you do not miss on my latest videos. Share. And I'll see you on the next video. God bless. Bye.